You've worked hard saving for retirement, but how you take that money out, that's a whole different story. The wrong plan could mean you're leaving a ton of money on the table. We're talking about a lot of money, potentially an extra 75 grand in after-tax wealth. So, you've got two main paths to choose from. Let's break down the traditional versus the strategic. First up, the traditional route. Think of it as the simple set-it-and-forget-it plan. You've probably heard of the 4% rule, right? It gives you that nice, predictable income stream. But here's the huge flaw. This simple approach completely ignores your tax situation. A big mess. Which brings us to the strategic way. This approach knows that not all of your dollars are the same. The core idea is called tax sequencing. And the key here is all about the order you withdraw. And here's the playbook. You hit taxable accounts first, then tax-deferred, saving your Roth for last. This is all about staying in lower tax brackets and protecting your portfolio during market swings. Now, if you're retiring in Florida, this is where things get really interesting. With no state income tax, you can focus on federal taxes and maybe dodge those big Medicare surcharges. Okay, enough talk. Let's look at a real-world example with two identical couples. Both start with the exact same portfolio. We're talking $1.2 million split three ways. Fast forward 25 years, the strategic couple is ahead by over $75,000 just from being tax-free. This also helps with something called sequence of returns risk. Sounds complex, but it's super important. Basically, if the market tanks right after you retire, those fixed withdrawals can really, really hurt you. But if you get good returns early on, well, that just sets you up for a much smoother ride. A strategic plan is dynamic. You can pull back when markets are down to protect what you have. So, it all boils down to one choice. Do you want simplicity or do you want optimization? If you have multiple account types, the financial gains from being strategic are definitely worth it. So, ask yourself, is your plan built for just getting by or is it built for real success?